Chairman Wontumi on an account mining. Any MPP for Samia Wuku, Kojo Ponkroma, Kate Jemfua, Charles Bisumo, Omunina, any a Mrekudukam. They went into the forest, they shared it. Chairman Wontumi 25 years, cheap, too low. Wontumi or Sanko demo for life. No owu jail. Na odie mia. Na otna je no ren nsa. No born nsa no. Na osa wutuaso. Wontumi is supposed to die in jail. He's not supposed to see light again. He punched the heart of a nation. He destroyed. He took out our heart and he chewed it. And we need to let Wontumi feel that pain. Tomorrow is pregnant. When power will change again. Tomorrow is pregnant. We will see if power changes tomorrow, that power will change again. Nobody can intimidate anybody with power will change. Tomorrow is pregnant. And kwasiafo, we also with demo MPP will be demo. Kwasiafo, na muje samu change will be Ghana. Tomorrow is pregnant. When tomorrow gives birth, it will give birth again. Sledge or this Samira. Munkonko buta Samira. I would like to tell the EOCO boss, we want to know the investigations you did when it comes to Sledge's wife, the $97 million or GD, you know. Raymond Archer, stop covering up nonsense at EOCO and don't make Blakk Rasta your spokesperson. After all these things, Eba eye insema ye kikenya ebi ensunye, and these are things we need to pay attention to because sanyama we na say mine. Okay, so what do you think, Mr. P? The Ghana Police Service has seized 500 cartons of assorted tramadol at Widana in the Upper East region. The seizure forms part of ongoing efforts by the Ghana Police Service to clamp down on the illegal trafficking and distribution of pharmaceutical drugs. You see, Enra, Ghana Police Service, Srim, Omutumi, Ekwachi, Nipebia, Tramadol, Edrubonia, Embrantian, Efa, Ekunipa Bibrio Ghana, no, about 500 cartons. This means we have to pay attention to your borders, any nipa bi imagine say they are going to do everything possible to destroy the future of young people in Ghana. Now, say you tumako one place in Ghana in the north, na say you tumehu tramadol, assorted kinds of this illicit drug in one warehouse. It means there are so many warehouses in Ghana among for are hoarding this kind of hard drugs. In fact, recently we have seen the effort NACOC, the Ghana Police Service, Ejuma Omoye when it comes to cracking down on illegal drug camps near the Ghana. We have seen it for a very long time. I think there are agencies and institutions they can actually take action. But you have to understand, we the citizenry, we also need to play a part, a role. Now you can't tell me, this warehouse. The people who live around it, they never know, say, nipebi airton say good dubone and I say honomostone. They know. So as much as the police service, NACOC, they are doing their best to clamp down on these illicit drugs in the system. We as citizens, we also need to take part, help them bring down these menace, bring down this menace. Because the issue is, Saudi say, amwakonkwaba enenum eyesa edrowe a sa amwakoba na obetuma influence oba mo anum bi. And so what junior will say, a group of people be na omuma say, omunum edro say, sometimes when you watch TV and you see young people who are drug addicts, now or TikToker, remember, I can tell you on authority, say you can find yourself in that position. You see, when you are young, when you are at a point in life, you are very curious. Some people are curious. Some people basically do these things because of the pressures of life. That does not give anybody the right to get themselves involved in drugs. But you have to understand, idea very easy to get. Things that are easy to come by. It is very easy for those things to also make negative impacts in the community. And the more drugs in the system, the probability of getting more young people involved in drugs is high. And it's not. Ana de bianco focus na say yachi inkofo ebo krono wo Ghana, America krono yachi America. There are so many people arrested every single day when it comes to drug trafficking. There are so many people in America yachi one way or the other, whether by being corrupt or doing something. The difference is that in America now, 90% of the people in America omunim di omu ye bia no bebia di omu beko. Obi a turn drug in America. Obi a into illicit drug trafficking in America. Obi a anything illegal in America. Onim the sentence they will get. Onim where it will end them. But these people in Ghana who are involved in these kind of bad drugs in the system, warehouse, most of them, Met my catch say the young people around Omudio they don't even know say how many years no mess of jail. They think say it is just remand. Oh, they think say where the ebecho say counseling. No. And I believe say the government at this point, from NACOC to Ghana Police Service, we need to set example with some people. Some people, like a coaching conform say, the person behind this at least we need to give that person life in imprisonment. See, a sani panel life, it will send the shock down. Okay? Chairman Wontumi 25 years is very low. Chairman Wontumi 25 years in jail are very, very low. Chairman Wontumi was supposed to go in for life. And Obiakra or Jine or what idea or what's the kebi dawa or Jine was obeko into illegal mining. No, Sani Pano would think twice or thrice. Chairman Wontumi was supposed to be jailed for life. Then it will be that mark. People will understand and say, yeah, the Obiako 2 for life. 25 years still does not deter some people from going into illegal mining, even though that is what the law says. But if we want to really set example, we want to really let the people know that this is something that you can use someone to set an example. Chairman Wontumi like that. You know what? Facts, no, court what evidence now. The Attorney General making the case. No, Wontumi was supposed to be in for life. He's supposed to die in jail. Because the crimes are Yejina so ejele Wontumi for being a facilitator, helping, taking money, destroying water body, destroying forest, Sadena Wontumi, and it is going to destroy us for the next 40 years. So Wontumi is not supposed to live to see it. Wontumi is supposed to be in there. He's supposed to rot in there. He's supposed to die in jail. Senebeya in Chimba will understand and say, even being involved as an associate, even thinking about being going into illegal mining, it can land you 40 years or 50 years. That's what we need to do. So these kind of people are these people when we catch them, because you see, Yaya Jumana trying to clean the system up. Every day, General Mante, NACOC, and his people, they're on the street. They are catching people, they are arresting people. The Ghana Police Service, they are cracking down. But we have still not set that example that will put fear in some people that when it comes to illicit drug importation or trying to sell drugs in Ghana, I should not venture. As much as NACOC is working seriously, in fact, the proliferation of drugs on our streets has gone down. And we are seeing people still bringing it in. We need a landmark prosecution. And then to be changing the mindset. Let me tell you. The problem we are going through are Danny Brown. They did another danko for the be a forest. Every acre be a chairman Wontumi a 2 year. Every acre MPP for a 2 year forest in him. Because remember, Nanado danko for the Baumi the car say young come mine where forest in him. Can't get to see Sabala Bujina Pocas Yampino. Now, the day they started mining in our forest, that was the day Sa Adena Wuhuno, Sa Insuna Wuhunisano. Also, Tiasie. Baby a chairman Wontumi and then the MPP4 and the Omomoya Galam say AD forest baby, and every time it rains, Sa Insuna Ayata to find its way into our streams. You cannot stop it easily. You can even do reclamation, but what happens is when it rains, because there are no trees to soak that rain, to make sure that that forest keeps the rain in. Baby a chairman Wontumi AD and then the colleagues on Medina MPP mu omuja ohon and then science na insota. Remember, insota forester, it finds its way. Water always finds its way out. Inti say insole da ho tonkwa dia na in forest no ye dim na say ye ntumi ndua forest back to its natural space. Remember, ye ntumi endua no mani nyina fifi in the next 20 years. It's going to take time. Inti it is the aftermath. The chairman Wontumi ye na hu faso na ye nya no. The MPP for year, the destruction they did. Now you say obi to galawo asase we so na ofri okwa that pollution, any water pollution now ever happen. You think it will take only 2 years to stop? No. You are seeing a lot of rivers getting contaminated. Adane Brown. Let me tell you, I will not sit here and say nipebi enya so Ghana. There are some people who are still working, but the magnitude of Sa Insona free quiet mura it is still going to be like that for years. Nobody can tell me in Ghana say Ejuma Naimos ABS Naimos, the introduction of Naimos krana abwaya kakra as a nation. Na san Kenya Naimos 8 years Akufo Addo tiasia anka just ha na ewo anka Ghana nsuo eniate the amount of damage Naimos abehu and what they are trying to stop. Let me tell you, Senka yenya effective policing and effective security to send Naimos and anka omo prevent illegal mining anka ndenke ni ha. Every single day in Sobia Betobiano, the water comes from the forest. Now, most of the forest yedi. Chema Wontumi on an akunta mining. Any MPP for Samia Wuku, Kojo Ponkroma, Kate Jemfua, any Charles Bisumo, Omunina, any Mirakudukam. They went into the forest, they shared it. I'm not saying it. The Frimpong Boateng report is there. It is clear. The aftermath of the destruction and the Yehuno. But Yambon Paye say the work this government is doing, the introduction of NIMOS, you bet me stop it. Back to this matter, no. I will urge the government to say, Yampe campaign bakwa oton yet tramadol Ghana, ni enchino. Ni man for life. Sa nyoma we unhubi usrim. From our checks, our young men and women in the northern region, they are going through a lot. They are getting the biggest hit. Northern region and Ashanti region. Northern region and Ashanti region. So we study in Ghana 16 regions now. These two regions, illicit drug, tramadol, edrubone, and say the young people. So we need to take some drastic measures. And I'll urge the government, I'll urge the president, I'll urge the judiciary, I'll urge all of us to come together and say, this kind of bastard police, whoever is found culpable, obi a say on in the shade, life. The colleagues, somebody be life no should be the standard. Life no should be where you see a change, you reset here. We need to start with life in prison. Because if we don't do that, 10 years, 15 years, obeba, Chairman want to be 25 years, cheap, too low. Want to me, Osanko demu for life, no owu jail. Na odie mia, na otna jeno nsa, no born in sano, na osa wutuaso. Wontumi is supposed to die in jail. He's not supposed to see light again. Because Wontumi has destroyed lives. He has destroyed a nation. He punched the heart of a nation. He took out our heart and he chewed it. And we need to let Wontumi feel that pain. So, yeah, bro, nyamaso. Let's get serious. Let's try and make sure that all right, now, team, thank you very much. I wanted to kill agenda, but let's go straight. Now, as we speak, your city now trading at 11.3 to $1. Dede koso nipa bi try say for a long time. If there's one thing you can respect about this government, John Mahama's government, the consistency when it comes to how strong the city has been. In fact, Aban Weber power is almost 2 years now. Majority of businesses in Ghana, the confidence they have in this government, the government has been able to keep the cedi, the dollar, the rate, the pace consistently. And that is what should tell you about a government that is intelligent. I already said protect or mine. Whatever a government does, the moment you are not able to make sure there's confidence in your currency, the dollar does not at the end of the day suppress your economy. That is all that a third world country like Ghana, we the voters ask for all the time. 99% of the people who voted in 2024 MPP in Kwasiafo, it was because most of them no more saying. Most of them are no more kwanso, no musika. Internally, amount for no mudija. Now they could not trust it because every single day we saw the dollar move all the way to like 17 at a point. And when you have a government that cannot tame the dollar, that cannot make sure that there's some consistency, sa abaina na eye Bawumia Ekufuado Abaino, not Omwejiminti. They could not figure it out how to make sure, say, the Ghanaian businessman, the foreigner who is investing in Ghana or is in Ghana, will believe in the economy. No? That MPP Abaino Omwejiminti, they could not do that. But today, from 2025, Ebesi Enda Menoka say, the currency of cedi has been very, very consistent. And every businessman, whether internationally or locally, that is all that they need. Say, or full plane every Accra, Japan, and now China, Akofanyoma, Onimse Oti plane Mukrampodo, there's dollar to see, it is not going to change. If it is going to even change, it is going to be marginal. But because a marginal, one your crampa is insignificant, so you might not even see it. And that is what this NDC government has done. When you are a government, I would third world country where people depend on more imports, where people buy and sell, the most important thing you need to do is to keep your currency there in a place where it is consistent, where the market can believe in. And that is what they have done. And that is the basic thing every Ghanaian businessman, every ordinary Ghanaian wanted. And we are seeing it. So, and then it showed the difference between NDC by where John Mahamadano and the leadership are making sure the economy is so and it's Anquasia from MPP for Omoma Baumia, Ebe Dada Omo, and now Oma Junior say, Jiminti, we are still going to fall for their gimmicks, comedy, foolish, corrupt attitude. They know that we are no more stupid again. And nobody can use tribe, nobody can use defamation, nobody can use in Katoswa to win power in Ghana. It's done. So this alone should tell you that this is a government that can be trusted. When you see the dollar, when you see the city being consistent, being stable, it means your job is protected as a businessman. It means your investment, why no bank, and that's why no anything, it is being protected. So to be catch say, the government or this government making sure say dollar does not swallow the city, it is enough. Because technically, they are being the watchdogs, they are protecting every investment. Ye pe changing government, ni nyina say and sabekoya no. Ni nyina say ejuma begina, ni nyina say sika ye sie no enhye. And this is what the NDC government is doing. The NDC government is basically doing what? Protecting you, your investment, whatever you are doing now, whatever you think of doing in the future. And that is what I want you to understand. Abai no e bo ejuma. And this about way Emma governance are simple. We all saw the NPP, Bawumia MPP, how they came into power, their foolishness to the highest level, Jimie, corruption, and it's sika through gold for oil policy, how they stole from you through NAPCO, how they stole from you through so many fake policies they put together. And nobody can walk in Ghana and point to a dam and say, out of Bawumia policy into dam way yejuma. Nobody. Those people were daft. They were high-grade criminals parading in Ghana as politicians. Nobody can walk and say, one district, one factory. We built it from scratch, MPP, and this is where people are working, Ebini Ghana. So it should tell you that these are imposters, filthy, dirty people who think that they are so entitled to power. But today we are seeing a government in power today, a government that is protecting you, your assets, a government that is protecting whatever you are putting your money in. That is why you see the dollar. So every time you see the city no akosrokrana at 12 and do 12 and that is what consistency mean. And so what to Obama NDC now who believes your government, your life, your investment is being protected. Why do you change your mind? Abaibo ni nyina se sika beba unsem udwetre nhye aban ni nyina no na se obeya aban na oba na dollar ne koduru 17 na the DDEP ba na se wogige nkofo sika na wo sa eye galamsey se man na do kwase akotena nchen 2 years ba wo se wo to keka ontia ma otumi nwan hwan na mfa tumi ma jimini hwan na mfa tumi ema kwasea obu ni nkofo kwasea. We lived in Ghana na nado dan kwekufo do ankasa sector minister from Pobwati at the report man say sa kwasea fo we na etu egudie efi inwurem esensuo samia wuku kojo ponkroma chema Wontumi obobo din bo gabidin nyina wom yetena kroma ekufo do achichide we na no nsuo so ka kire say he wasn't going to act on it. At a point he defended chema Wontumi kromfo tetwa mo aboaten. Are you people stupid? In the 2 years you remfi. In the NDC, enye bibi inti yenya den emwa. We are talking about people who are rational. And now Ghanaians are rational. Obia to me surround upon kotra koko so kan kwasi asep, we will correct you. Jimmy ni bia to me kotra Peace FM, enya na to kan bebube, we will correct you. Ofu bia to me kotra sempa. Jimmy ni bia to me kotra radio think I say ye kan mo bi nkebi. No. We have opened the doors for people to be able to explain things understand issues in a basic form so that they make decisions moving forward. So decision na Ghana for year in 2024. So somebody said that 1992 and more because we have left that stage. We are at a point where people are practically seeing what a government is doing. Go around the nation and see the effects of this government. How roads are being built all over the place. Yatiane ka say ye ba be ye dien ye be ye Kumasi Accra Express Road ye nyankwasiafo MPP mu e ka kire Ghana for say ye mpene emmoa. Ghana does not revolve around a tribalistic, stupid, ungrateful party. No. Ghana is for Ghanaians, and what we want to do is what we will do. Inti sa monkwasi adwene na da mutirimu no. Ye MPP for until we deserve power no. As we live and Almighty Allah is alive, you people will never see power. Yes. This government is not a perfect one, but at least when we nipa, this government is not a perfect one. But yet we nipa, and we will always live with humans. And it does not matter how you feel. Let me tell you, people, the way you feel, no, it will not change how we do our things. It will not change how Ghanaians think now. The way you feel about John Mahama, how you hate Samis Jemfi, how you hate the NDC young men working up and down, how you feel about Ato Forsen, it will not change what this government is doing, because this government is on the right track. I'm not going to sit here and say the government has gotten everything right. No. But this is a living being. So we are not going to give you people that space. Now, no, you bebu some questions. And so when you know what Jimmy, you best kwasia. So when you know Nimyansa, you de and some paba buau, you be boy in some amount. Now we are Korana with Jimmy Cradia and the winning of Bodam, Yan Chimau. We are not going to entertain this kind of retrogressive, stupid thinking. Yeah, MPP for tea. Now, Mammy and to my NDC bium, Mammy and Ninja the NDC, near Mamutumiana, what are you doing? The MPP, what do you need power for? What do you people need power for? One can't say them to me, because you are looking at the numbers now. Are you going to bring the numbers down? That is what you need to tell the people. Yamamu to me 8 years. In 9, you exhibited the highest form of monkeyism. Yahudiamuya wa Ghana kronim. Yahudiamudia hemfo. Yahudiamudia sofo. Mode billions go to amena donko edaho creating tuntumo on crime in 9. So yenya den yen sesan ya adwene yen tam to me mamo na mo fanya den emmoa bola munye nipa enti say ya na ebekọ no yen tam to me mamo ana mahama anya say ana ba NDC for ana samenya fi enti yenya den yen tam mamo na munye den. And we need to know these things. And tomorrow is pregnant. Power, when power will change again. Tomorrow is pregnant. We will see if power changes tomorrow, that power will change again. Nobody can intimidate anybody with power will change. Tomorrow is pregnant. And kwasiafo, we also with them when people will be them. Mopa munchi obiya to munya power. But today, if you are guilty and the law says you have to ube them. And nobody's scared of power will change. Nobody's scared of tomorrow is pregnant. Whoever is guilty today and needs to be jailed needs to go inside. 50 years or so go jail. When you get that power, when that table turns, it will turn again. Kwasiafo mum boding mum bremo wase mum sumpa Ghana for chow mum yi mo ho fa mo tunsi for mentwi mo to ase en fa ma no ko bu to gatam na mo nom gatam so kwasiafo guy say tomorrow is pregnant. When tomorrow gives birth, it will give birth again. Mun ya to me mo de yeden ye busa mo de bia mo betra TV so, mo betina radio so, mo betina Facebook, na mo kike mo no. The question is, mo de to me ne yeden? Ye hu de mo de to me ye na, mo de to me ne yeden? Yete ya na sledge ne Samira etwempena kwasiafo, mo de to me ne yeden? Sledge odi Samira. Mo konko busa Samira. Mo de to me no yeden? Mo nim de eba kwasiafo. And I would like to tell the Attorney General, I would like to tell the EOCO boss, we want to know the investigations you did when it comes to Sledge's wife. And we want the OSP to also let us know about Sledge, the $97 million our GD, you know. We want to know how the investigations has gone. We want to know. Kwasiafo mudimi ahu ye be pai mo party ne to. Me se mo komputer Samira. Sledge no twempa on odi no. Anything na OSP does not want to touch a Sledge issue no. He needs to touch it. Ye be pai party ne to. We want Raymond Archer, stop covering up nonsense at EOCO and don't make Rasta your spokesperson. We want to know how far with our investigations because you cannot be hunting a woman. Everybody thinks say Sledge man because Sledge used Samira and Baumia to buy his way out. No. So this Samira is not a problem, but we want to get to the bottom of the $97 million. So Raymond Archer should understand he cannot use that office to intimidate anybody in Ghana. He needs to get it right. If you are doing what is right, it's right. I don't care. But make sure the principle now will apply, apply it fairly. And the OSP, that OSP working in Ghana, or say what Sledge or your investigations, I want to know. We all want to the investigation. We want to know how it went, how it's going. We just hear Jimmy Ghana. You can see a bobo video hand come to Martina Kronim. You can see a can sama. Why not Martina Kronim? We want OSP and EOCO come out with the findings of your investigations. This is just 1 week. Raymond Archer is not the president of Ghana. He's a civil servant. He works for the people. You cannot be selective about Asama also DHA. We want to know.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.